Elon Musk warns about owl jobs. What's actually true? In 2026, Elon Musk sent shockwaves through the tech world again. He warned that AI could make work optional, disrupt entire industries, and even redefine what it means to earn a living. Social media exploded. Headlines screamed, "Elon Musk predicts mass job loss to AI." Panic spread. People asked, are we about to wake up in a world where humans no longer need jobs? But here's the twist. When you dig deeper, what Musk actually said and what's really happening are two very different stories. Today, I'm going to take you behind the headlines. I'll reveal what's true, what's hype, and what it means for your career over the next decade. The Elon Musk warning. Elon Musk has been clear for years. AI is not just another tool. It's a potential game changer for society. Too powerful, he warns, and if mismanaged, it could replace millions of jobs, not in some distant century, but sooner than most people think. He paints a world where AI handles the majority of production, logistics, and services. Where humans only work because they want to, not because they have to. It's a bold vision. And yes, it scares people. Think about it. We've all done repetitive, tedious, or even meaningless work. Musk is saying those kinds of jobs could vanish entirely. And one day, he suggests, money as we know, it might even become optional. The headlines versus reality. The media immediately ran wild. Headlines declared, Elon Musk. AI will end work as we know it. Robots are coming for your job, Musk warns. The future is jobless. Humans optional. Sounds scary, right? But here's the problem. Headlines love drama. They don't capture nuance. If you read Musk's interviews carefully, he's not saying jobs will disappear next week. He's predicting long-term trends over the next decade or two. He's imagining a post-scarcity world, one where AI and robotics produce almost everything, drastically reducing the need for survival-driven work. The difference between imminent doom and long-term evolution is massive. What Musk actually means. When Musk talks about optional work, he's describing a world where AI can handle most repetitive and predictable tasks. From manufacturing to customer service, society could provide for basic human needs automatically because goods and services are cheap or nearly free. Humans have the freedom to choose what they do, for passion, learning, or creativity, not out of necessity. It's a vision straight from science fiction. But unlike fiction, Musk's warning is grounded in reality. He isn't predicting apocalypse tomorrow. He's urging preparation for a radically different economy. The reality of AI and jobs in 2026. Let's get real. What's actually happening today? AI is advancing fast. Some jobs are being automated, especially repetitive, rule-based work. But the workforce isn't disappearing. Companies are hiring more employees, especially those who know how to work alongside AI. And new roles are emerging. AI trainers, system auditors, prompt engineers, and hybrid positions that combine domain expertise with AI tools. The narrative that AI will instantly kill jobs? It's not true. Jobs aren't vanishing. They're evolving. Some tasks go away, others become more complex. And the most valuable workers are those who adapt and leverage AI effectively. Why AI can't replace humans yet? Despite the fear, AI still has critical limitations. Context is everything. AI can process enormous amounts of data and follow rules, but it struggles with ambiguity. Real-world problems are messy. They involve nuances, unspoken rules, and shifting priorities. Human judgment is irreplaceable. Every decision in business involves trade-offs. Do we prioritize speed or quality? Which feature should launch first? AI doesn't understand deadlines, team capacity, or company strategy. Creativity and empathy matter. AI can imitate, analyze, and optimize, but it cannot truly innovate, negotiate, or empathize. Jobs that require emotional intelligence, intuition, or human connection remain largely safe, at least for now. Put simply, AI is a powerful tool, not a replacement. The Industrial Revolution parallel. History gives us a clear lesson. During the Industrial Revolution, machines replaced countless manual tasks. Textile workers lost jobs to looms. Blacksmiths lost some of their trade. Panic ensued. But here's the twist. New jobs emerged. Factories needed managers, engineers, and maintenance crews. Entire industries were born. Economies grew in ways people hadn't imagined. AI is no different. It will eliminate certain tasks, maybe entire categories of work, but it will also create new industries, opportunities, and career paths. Those who panic may struggle. Those who adapt will thrive. The skills that will matter. Musk's warning is really about preparation, not panic. To remain indispensable, humans need to focus on skills AI cannot replicate. Problem solving and critical thinking. AI follows rules. Humans create them. Understanding the why behind decisions will be invaluable. Adaptability. The ability to learn quickly and pivot as technology changes. AI changes fast. So must you. Emotional intelligence. Leading teams, managing clients, negotiating, and building relationships. These are uniquely human skills. Systems thinking, designing workflows, processes, and architectures that are maintainable and scalable in ways AI cannot anticipate. Creativity, crafting new solutions, products, and experiences. AI can assist, but it cannot replace the spark of human ingenuity. The future isn't about competing with AI. It's about leveraging AI to amplify human capability. The job's already changing. Even today, we're seeing AI reshape industries. Healthcare. AI can analyze X-rays and suggest diagnoses, but human doctors make final decisions and provide care. Software development. AI generates code quickly, but humans handle architecture, edge cases, and business logic. Finance. Algorithms suggest investments, but human judgment ensures strategy aligns with client goals. The pattern is clear. AI handles repetitive, time-consuming tasks, freeing humans for higher-level, strategic work. The real fear isn't jobs disappearing. Here's the suspense you're not hearing in the headlines. The real danger isn't that AI will replace all jobs. It's that humans who don't adapt will get left behind. The workers who cling to obsolete methods may see their value diminish. The companies that refuse to integrate AI risk falling behind competitors. The students who focus solely on syntax or memorization may miss the skills that matter in a world where AI can code, write, and calculate faster than any human. Musk isn't predicting doom. He's warning of disruption. And disruption demands adaptation. The truth about AI and wealth. Another point Musk makes often is controversial. AI could reduce the role of money in society. In a world where AI produces most goods and services efficiently, scarcity decreases. When necessities become cheap or free, the concept of money changes. Does this mean a utopia for everyone? Not automatically. Society still needs distribution mechanisms, governance, and oversight, but it hints at a future radically different from anything humanity has ever seen. This is why Musk's warning sparks so much debate. He's not just talking about jobs, he's talking about society itself. The bottom line. Let's cut to the chase. Here's the reality in 2026. AI is transformative, but it is not a replacement for humans. Jobs are evolving, not vanishing. The future belongs to those who can adapt, leverage AI, and focus on uniquely human skills. Elon Musk's warning isn't fear-mongering. It's a wake-up call. The world is changing. And the question isn't if AI will impact jobs, it's whether you will be ready when it does. The future isn't AI versus humans. It's humans who know how to wield AI versus those who don't. Those who embrace this change will have opportunities like no other generation. They will become supercharged, not obsolete. So, what should you do right now? Focus on problem solving, creativity, and adaptability. Learn to work with AI, not fear it. Build skills that machines cannot replicate, because in 2026, the real power won't belong to AI alone. It will belong to the humans who master it. And trust me, those humans are about to have an incredible decade.